see me?
Yeah.
Something to cut here.
Hmm?
Don't waste water. I need more of this. Maika.
Wheels.
Is it on?
Yeah.
Good boy. You're my best videographer. Oh, this sun has been here for forever. Ruby, pour water inside here. Until it is wet, completely wet. There, here, until it is completely soaked. So that then you can be able to plant something. Stop, baby. Stop. Stop. Get some more. Good job. I think that's it.
So just like the other one, your button hapo kando ndo unafinya and your dead man switch. Yeah, and that
Because slow.
iko slow. So unaweka weight iinuke and then when you're ready unaachilia itajipeleka. Yes. Na ukikula mawe itakurusha.
Turn hiyo nini, niendelee turn it into a haya, waende.
We're taking videos. Stay out the video.
I can.
Here.
You can sit from far.
Content.
Yeah, I have to help to pick up those grass.
Micah, take this hoe and that's the name of it. It's called a hoe. Take it to the garage where the shovel goes. And roll, carry it from the other side.
Look, you have white hair. I know how to carry.
You're gonna hurt yourself. You see, you almost hit him. Mael, give him space.
Yes, young girl. What's your name? To do this. So I don't want anyone stepping on this garden. Have you ever seen? Huh? Garden?
Ask Rowan to show you where it goes. I mean, distract kidogo. Sasa shida yangu ni nakuangalia na macho instead of using the screen. So I realize you're out of frame. Yeah.